Every time I see the sun, a rooster crows for days. And every time I see that gal, she always looks away. Hell, she always looks away. Hold on, baby, just hold on. I'll be coming home, back where I belong. Hold on, baby, baby, just hold on. Sunday morning meeting time, I hear them church bells ring. Y'all seen them late last night go out and shake that thing. They went out and shake that thing. Oh, hold on, baby, just hold on. I'll be coming home, back where I belong. Yeah, baby, hold on, baby, baby, just hold on. Well, in the shade I waste my days, tonight I go to town. Well, I'm upstairs with them good time gals, always going down. Yeah, they're always going down. Hold on, baby, just hold on. I'll be coming home, yeah, back where I belong. Hold on, baby, won't you hold on one more time, yeah. I'm getting right in through the night, twinkling in her eye. Little girl, she ain't got me yet, but Lord, she loves to try. Oh, Lord, she does try. Hold on, baby, just hold on. I'll be coming home, baby, back where I belong with you, baby. Hold on, baby, just hold. Won't you hold on? I said, baby, just hold on.
get no rest. No, no, I've been down so long that my mind can't get no rest. No, no, this ain't easy, darling, 'cause the devil's on my trail. I've been running so long that my feet don't work no more. Oh yeah, I've been running so long that my feet don't work no more. Oh no, it ain't easy, darling, when the devil's on my trail. Oh yeah.
Where we stayed for tonight, probably a little windy. There's Honey, we stayed just a little gravel lot. Had to get in here, or no, we didn't have to get in here. No, but we pulled in here last night because we broke a couple rules driving at night and skipping our planned route. But there we are. There's 10. We're in Van Horn, Texas. But hey, it was pretty peaceful here last night, actually. Got a great night's sleep. Great night. But we're about to hit the road. Head up north, heading over to KT's. Gonna stay up at 1,000 Island first. No, 1,000 Island. That's a dressing, goofy. 1,000 Trails. Stay at one of them overnight, or two, and then head that way.
When the